Welcome back to another episode of
What's in the Box?
Last week we went over the Q AK 0 gauge amplifier kit. This week we are going to go over the Q AK4 gauge amplifier kit. First though, we said we were going to give away this amp kit, and Travis ran some numbers through a random number generator, and who did we get as a winner?
Jared Quick.
So if Jared can give us a shout, we will get you taken care of and get this thing sent off to you. All right, so the 4 gauge amplifier kit comes with 3 foot of black, very flexible wire that is pre-terminated. Make sure you hook this up to a solid metal surface. If there's paint, you're gonna want to sand that off of there. We've also got 17 foot of 4 gauge green power wire. It is pre-terminated as well. It's gonna hook directly up to your battery. It's also very flexible, so it'll be easy to pull through the firewall or through any tight spaces within the vehicle. All right, I'm gonna pass the rest off to Travis. He's gonna tell you a little bit about these other accessories that come with the amplifier kit.
All right, it also comes with 17 foot of green, very flexible RCA, terminated at 90 degrees on one end and straight on the other, which makes the install look super clean. Or if you don't have room, it also helps out very much. It is OFC RCAs. It also comes with a 4 gauge 100 amp fused.
4 gauge 100 amp fuse.
No, it comes with a fuse block with a 100 amp fuse in it.
Yeah,
is what I was trying to say.
Okay.
Just like the other one, you just pop it right off, put your connection in. It does have mounting holes so that you can mount it if need be. We do suggest that. Put it back together. That's about it on that one. This here is for your remote turn on. You run it to just a 12 volt accessory on. That way it's only on when the vehicle is on.
Do not run it to a constant, because that means your amp's going to stay on all the time. You're going to run down your battery and you're going to run into some issues. So make sure this is an accessory on. Some cars use it in the lighter. Some use it for your accessories for like your headlights. And then your ignition switch. So if you're confused or you don't know, feel free to give us a shout. We can kind of help you run you through that. But most vehicles, you'll be able to just do a simple Google search and figure out which wire is which.
It also comes with 17 feet of black and green SoundCube 12 gauge wire.
And what you'll notice is that you're running 12 gauge in this compared to our 8 gauge kit, which runs 10 gauge. And that's just simply because this isn't meant to run these larger installs, so this is going to run up to 1200 to 2000 watts to a speaker. Once you get to that point, you're going to want to get up to that bigger speaker wire.
Last but not least is basically everything else you need to kind of tidy up the system. You have zip ties.
Another grommet.
Don't forget the grommet, that is very important. Sheet metal on vehicles are very sharp. They don't care about your fingers. You have, the rest of your ends to terminate whatever you need. A couple screws to mount the actual fuse block, and
I think that's it.
This kit will work great with our 4x90 and our 1200.
For more information, head on over to soundcube.com. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, please post them below, or if you're on Twitter or Facebook or Instagram, you can also comment on there and we'll get back to you.
Don't forget about YouTube.
Oh, YouTube too. We'll be posting these weekly, so if and we might do some other stuff like tech talks. So if you have something that you want to know about, please let us know. Comment, like, and subscribe for your chance to possibly win this amp kit. And thanks for tuning in, guys.